Hey guys, welcome to your second virtual rehearsal for cast A, B, and C. Today's video will cover two songs, Think Positive and Chew It. For Think Positive, the tap dance has been included. But remember, during this song, you're coming out in groups, either performing your two sets of jazz squares with hips alternating side to side, or you're coming out, grabbing your hands, twisting like a pretzel, and pulling apart.
You've nothing to lose, so why not choose to think positive? Whenever my luck is on the blink, I think positive. Whenever I'm feeling down and out and don't know what to do, I never give way to fear and doubt, 'cause thinking positive sees me through. Whenever my stars are out of sync, I think positive. I write my thoughts down in purple ink and think positive. Remember this song when things go wrong, then you'll know what to do. In no time you'll be thinking positive too. Come on, Papa, sing with me. Whenever I think I'm in the green, I think
Positive.
right. Whenever my luck goes down the sink, I think
Positive.
yeah. Whenever you're feeling low or lost, just take a tip from me.
You're wasting your time to count the cost.
'Cause thinking positive, that comes free. That's right.
Positive is the way to be. Whenever I'm feeling on the brink, I think positive. The moment I do, I'm in the pink. I think positive. Remember this song when things go wrong, then you'll know what to do. In no time, you'll be thinking positive.
Okay, let's break down some of your tap steps. We have a flap, we have a shuffle, we have a paradiddle, and we also have a maxi forward. First off is your flap. Now a flap makes two sounds, and your toe sticks to the floor. Flap, flap, and quickly it's flap, flap. Next up is our shuffle. When we shuffle, we make two sounds, 1, 2, but our foot comes off the ground. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Next up, we have our maxi forward. Now that is jumping to the left foot, shuffle with the right, jump to the right, toe behind. Jump, shuffle, reach toe. Jump, shuffle, reach toe. Last is our paradiddle. So our paradiddle, we put our heel, toe, toe, heel. Heel, toe, toe, heel. Heel, toe, toe, heel. First thing, we start off with a stamp to the front. Stomp, together, stomp, together, stomp. Look to that. Then we're gonna toe, heel to stage right. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, stand. Next, we step on our toes. Toe, 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 toe. We're ready to flap, heel, toe, heel. 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 Stop. Then we repeat that section. We go stomp, together, stomp, together, stomp. Toe, heel, stage right. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, stop. Toes backwards. Toe, 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 toe. Flap, heel, toe, heel, flap, heel, toe, heel, flap, heel, toe, heel, flap, heel, toe, sing with me. You move over to stage left if you're Charlie. You move over to stage right if you are Mr. Bucket. Then we have our stomp claps. We go stomp with our left foot, then clap. Right, clap, left, clap, right, clap. Present dab, positive. Repeat. Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. Present, positive. Next part, jump, shuffle, leap, toe. This may be changed in your version, Stella, and potentially also Paisley. But we're gonna try jump, shuffle, leap, toe. Jump, shuffle, leap, toe. Jump, shuffle, leap, toe. Jump, shuffle, leap, toe. And drag. Then we have Dad on this side saying, wasting your time to count the cost. And then we have Charlie repeats. Do the first. Next thing we do is our airplane. Step, behind, step, behind, step, behind, step. Facing the front, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel. Crimp roll, crimp roll. Then we do that again. Flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, crimp roll, crimp roll. Then we do our slow paradiddles. Heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel. Then we just go toe, heel. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Cross. 1, 2, 3. Reach. 1, 2, 3. Reach. Turn in. High five. Up there.
It's time for today's rehearsal challenge. For today's challenge, to earn 500 points, send us a picture of you blowing the biggest bubblegum bubble you can. Thanks guys, happy rehearsing.
Next up, here's some review for the song Chew It.
I only have one dream in life, there's very little to it. To own one stick of lifelong gum and all life long to chew it. I chew it all through childhood, I chew it when I wed. If I survive to 95, I'll chew it till I'm dead.
But this gum here's much better than that one. This gum here is a 3-course dinner. Pea soup, roast beef, and blueberry ice cream. Blueberry is the nicest ice cream. You may feel fat, but in fact you're thinner. Even after a 3-course dinner.
That gum is so mine. It's delicious. It really tastes like pea soup. Oh, and here comes the roast beef. It's fantastic. So tender and juicy.
But the blueberry ice cream.
I'll bet it's to die.
That's what I'm worried about. The dye.
Yo, Violet, you're so busted.
That gum is gonna do it. Her candy fame gone down the drain.
I asked her not to chew it.
Too late, Willy, nothing to it, 'cause I know just how to chew it. There is no need to poo-poo it. All I have to do is do it.
Violet, it's so bad for you.
Yo, Violet, dude, you're turning blue.
Violet, what you gonna do? Just stand there singing, am I blue?
Yes, she's turning blue, it's true. Oh, Violet, you are now bright blue.
That rotten, lousy gum, I knew it. Blueberry blue and fat as suet. I guess I blew it. Blew it. Blew it. Blew
it. When we start this song, most characters are standing in your staggered line. Your hands are on hips, you're getting ready to bend or to straighten. Be sure that your feet are in first position. For our dance section, hands on hips, we have 4 8 counts. We step, behind, step, brush. Step, behind, step, brush. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pose, pose, pose. Last pose, your hands are out. Then we get ready to step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then we run stage right. Whoa, left, whoa, right, whoa, left, whoa. And everybody's off the stage.